In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add benefits to Patreon tiers. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add perks to your tiers so patrons clearly see what they get and why it's worth supporting you. First, access your membership settings. Log into your creator profile and head to your dashboard. Look for the membership tab. This is where all your tier settings live. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to load or expand your menu options. Once you're there, you're in the right place to make updates that will appear on your public page. Next, find the specific tier you want to update and click the Edit Tier button. This opens the editor for that tier, where you can adjust the description, price, and most importantly, the benefits. Take a quick glance at the existing text so you maintain a consistent tone and avoid overlapping promises. Now in the Tier Benefits section, click Add Benefit. This is your control center for organizing what patrons receive at this level. You'll be prompted to choose a benefit type, and you have three options. If you've already created benefits for other tiers, choose an existing benefit to keep things consistent and save time. This is ideal when the same perk appears across multiple tiers. If you're not sure where to start, click Browse Recommended Benefits. You'll see common options like exclusive content or promo codes. These are tried and true perks that patrons understand at a glance, and they're easy to implement. If you want something unique to your community, select Create a Custom Benefit. Here, enter a clear, action-focused title. Think Monthly Behind the Scenes Video, Early Access to Releases, or Patron-Only Livestream link. Then select a category that best matches the benefit. Categories help you stay organized and make it easier for patrons to understand how the perk fits into your overall offering. If your page launched after May 20th, 2020, you can reorder benefits by dragging and dropping them. Place your most compelling perk near the top so it's immediately visible in the tier description. Keep the list concise and prioritized to reduce confusion. When everything looks good, click Save Tier. This applies your updates to your public page, so double-check your wording and order before saving. After saving, preview your page to confirm the benefits display as intended. That's it. You've added benefits to a tier, chosen the right type, clarified the details, and saved your changes. Repeat these steps for any other tiers you want to update, and keep your benefits list current as your offerings evolve.